given in 23, which means Toria prices will also be interlinked to these crops. So these are the two crops which we don't declare prices, but they are covered under MSP. So what are the crops whose prices are given? How many crops are there? 23. This is what websites say. 23 prices are given. 23 prices. 23 prices, we'll write here. 23 prices are given. In this 23 prices, Kharif, Rabi, calendar. Kharif, Rabi and calendar. So if I say Kharif has 14 crops, 14 prices are given. There's no change. Next is Rabi, 7 crops are there, but 6 prices are given because one is interlinked. Next is calendar, 3 prices are given because one is interlinked. Now it becomes 14 plus 6 is 20, 23. So I am just justifying what they have written and why most students get this confused. Should I follow 22 or 23? They send me a lot of messages like, I have read this in PIB, it is saying only 22. Now what is the 22 also, we'll see now. So 23 prices in this way and 2 like we have written, these 2 are interlinked, and Toria and mustard interlinked. So these are basically Rabi crops and these are basically calendar year crops. There is no Kharif crop which is interlinked. This you should remember very clearly. This was actually asked in the exam, the number of Kharif crop prices declared by, confirmed by CCE in one of the state service. TSPSC, he has asked, answer is 14. Because 6 anedi prices, 7 is crops, 3 are the prices, 4 are the crops. Next year in 23, 22 crop prices are given, one more crop prices is also given. 22 crops which you give, you call them as mandated crops. And one crop which you have given, you give them 22 crops what you give, you show it as MSP. One crop what you give it as FRP, fair and remunerative prices, that is basically declared for sugarcane. This is what government will show, 22 mandated prices, which means 22 MSP, one is FRP. They will project FRP separately, they will show 22 separately, but FRP is not interlinked. In this 22 only there is interlink, which means this 22 which is projected here, it includes Kharif, Rabi and calendar year. In the calendar there will be one price because 2 are interlinked, and sugarcane is one more here. So that is the reason interlinks are here itself. And if you can say the 2 individual goods which are not declared but interlinked are part of this 2 year. So let us summarize again. CACP every year will recommend the prices of MSP. They will recommend for 25 crops and the prices they recommend are 23. This will be sent to CCA headed by Prime Minister and they will finalize it. MSP is declared for 2 times, that is for Kharif and Rabi. Calendar can start at any point of time. They can start from Kharif, they can start from Rabi. So they will be added in the list. Next, 25 crops, 23 prices are declared. 2 crops are interlinked. Interlinked are not part of Kharif. Interlinked are part of Rabi and calendar year. Interlinked are basically Torai and mustard from Rabi, and interlinked are from copra and dehusked coconut from calendar years. Next, 14 Kharif we declare, 6 Rabi we declare and 3 calendar we declare. So we are writing here 23 prices, 2 interlinked. 23 further classified into 22 and 1. 22 are called mandated MSP, means compulsory you declare MSP. And 1 you show it as separately, that we will discuss later. Why are we showing? Because sugarcane prices are not only directly decided by the government. It is the mill owners who are associated here. It is the sugarcane farmers agencies or associations are involved here. So put together 22 will be shown under MSP, 1 will be shown as sugarcane, which is FRP. So how will you write here? 22, 1, 2. So we can write here 22, 1, 2. So this is the basic thing about the MSP. How many times the government declared 2 times, how many crops are there, etc. So these are the part which you should have a very basic clarity. A person who's preparing for civils should have a basic knowledge about agriculture. It's not like someone is producing, we consume, this is the relation, market has been regulated. Someone asks which is a nodal agency, you're just saying Food Corporation of India, etc. And you should know what are Kharif, you should know what are Rabi. There are so many Kharif crops. There are so many Kharif crops, but government is not considering them into Kharif, that part of MSP. So it's not like in India, only 25 crops we grow. There are many crops which are grown, but why I'm giving importance only to 25 crops? Because 25 crops are very important for you, very important for me, very important for the world globally. If I can ask you to produce this 25 crops, promote this 25 crops, your income will be higher and global and India demand can also be met. That's the reason we are asking you to procure under MSP. This is just 1% what I have taught in agriculture. There are a lot of calculations, equations, everything we have to teach. And we'll start very slowly with the basics. Then we will go to the advanced level of agriculture. Okay?